Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving my honest review on the iPhone 16e. So let's check this out.
So when you check our device here, you're going to see that the iPhone 16e is not really a bad device at all. And it just looks like the iPhone 14, the regular iPhone 14 with a metal side right here. And then a rounded corners. When you check out right here, you see we have some rounded corners. And then it is actually 167 grams. If you weigh it, that's it. And then we have it in two variants. That's the classic black and then the white color. So we are having the classic black in our hands right here. And then also it doesn't come with the dynamic island. It comes with the notch right here, which is something that is going to break a lot of people's hearts, but they are saying is a budget friendly phone, so they decided to take away the dynamic island and then bring the notch right here. So the screen is actually a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display right here, and then it comes with a vibrant color. You can see right here, you can see the colors are very vibrant. But what is going to break people's hearts again is it is actually 60 hertz refresh rate and then not 120 hertz refresh rate like the newer phones that are coming, which is something many people are not really gonna like. This device also comes with the Apple's new chipset A18 chip with 8 gigs of RAM slapped into this phone, and then it comes with Apple Intelligence too. So let me just, you see the Apple Intelligence right here. So with this device you are going to get the Apple Intelligence. And then when we talk about the camera too, it has only one camera behind it with a flashlight, which is a 48 megapixel camera right here. And then also it has extra 2x zoom. When you go to the camera, you can see that we have 2x zoom right here. That's it right here. You don't have an ultra wide angle, which is going to make photography a bit of something with this device. But hey, if you're not really a photography person, this is actually not going to be a problem right here. With the battery, I'm actually going to make a separate video for this another day, but the battery life of this device, I'm not gonna lie, no capping, this device has a very good battery life. So if you are someone who uses phones for a longer time, I'm gonna show you this day right here. I used the phone for, look at this, I used it for 12 hours and then 45 minutes on screen. I played games for 4 hours, and then TikTok for 2 hours, and then WhatsApp 1 hour, caption, X, Instagram, and then this is the home screen. And then I talked on the phone with a friend for 1 hour, Snapchat 19 minutes. So you can see it's actually very top notch. Let's go to the next day. We're gonna see 10 hours right here, 4 hours on TikTok, 1 hour, 20 minutes on Blast Strike, which is one of the games I like. Go to the next day, we're gonna see 12 hours again. We're gonna go to 2 hours on WhatsApp, and then 48 minutes on Blast Strike, 1 hour on TikTok. You can see it's very cool. The battery life is something you guys really need to consider. I mean, if you are actually considering on getting a phone that can last long, you can see the next day 3 hours on TikTok, 3 hours on WhatsApp, 3 hours on Snapchat, but you can see it's boast of 13 hours on screen time and then 2 hours off screen time. I mean, it has never gone off totally that maybe I'm saying the phone is actually low, so I want to charge. The least I could say it goes is maybe 20%. It has never turned off before, ever since I got this phone. It's like 10 days. You can see the last 10 days I got this phone on Monday. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's been 10 days since I got this device, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it's actually performing very well. So you can see my cycle counts. I have charged the phone 10 times in 10 days. So you can see I charge it daily, once a day. I don't charge it often. That's it. You can see right here, this is actually very cool. So if you're considering on getting this device based on the battery, I mean, you're gonna like it. And then if you're also a content creator and then you want to get some AI that can create images for you, you can just use the playground, because it comes with it. So you can just use it for you to be able to just get your animated photos. So you do it, and then you're gonna pick your best one you want, and then you're just gonna save it. If you feel you don't like it, you can choose to add different ones, and then yeah, it's actually going to show you how it looks like. I mean, this is something you guys need to just play around with it when you get it. And also one thing I also consider very cool, not so cool, is gaming on this device. So if you're actually gaming on this device, it's okay with the graphics. You're going to see very well, but it's not really top notch, because I have a 15 Pro Max which has a very good graphics compared to this one. This one looks a bit gray. When I turn everything to ultra, like max graphics, it's gonna turn to a bit of gray, a bit compared to the 15 Pro Max. But with this right here, you're gonna see that the phone is actually gonna give me 60 Hz. So you can see that's it, FPS on 60. You see, it's on 60 FPS. That means the phone can just give you 60 Hz when you are gaming. You can't get anything other than 60 Hz. Some games will actually even give you less than 60 Hz. So you're just gonna get 60 Hz when you're playing games. I mean, most games I should say. So that is one thing, the downside, because I'm not really liking it when I'm gaming with this device. I like my 15 Pro Max more than this one. So I think that is one thing a lot of people are not going to like, if in case they want to get it because of gaming, or they want to consider gaming with the device. If it's something you just want to use as your daily driver, I mean you don't have any other phone but just this, I mean it's not bad, it's very good. You see the graphics are very, very good. I'm not gonna lie, like the graphics are cool, but for me, having a different device and then also comparing it to this, I feel like the 15 Pro Max is actually better with the gaming experience, because you get 120 Hz refresh rate, and then you're actually going to feel the game very, very well. So with the price point to this phone I'm having right here, I actually bought it with tax, was around 651 USD, but when you go to the Apple shop, you're going to see it's price tagged as 599, but after tax you're going to pay maybe 651, 641 ish. That's what I got. That's the 128 gigs. So let's go to the settings and I show you. Maybe you guys might be saying it's not an iPhone 16e. So you can see it right here, the iPhone 16e. That's it. Yeah, so it's actually 128 gigs. You can see right here. So if in case you want to get this device, you need to check it out very well, and yeah, consider a lot of things. But the battery life, I'm not gonna lie, it's top notch, out of the world. Like, it's very, very good. It's super good. It's super, super good. I charged this phone. Let me show you when I charged this phone. The last time I charged this was 7 a.m. and it's 2 p.m. right now, and I still have 50%, 57% remaining. You see, and I've been using it. Like, I've been using it in a bit. Like you can see right here. I've been using it in a bit. Let me see something. Yeah, 8 hours on screen time. You can see I've used WhatsApp for 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, 58 minutes. I've played Blast Strike, watched YouTube. I've done a couple of things. You can see right here. So this phone, the battery is actually something you guys really need to consider.
Let me know your views about this device we actually talked about or reviewed, and don't forget to like this video up and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel too. And I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.